In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate a Mailchimp pop-up in your Wix site. To begin, the first action you'll need to take is installing the appropriate application. Navigate your way to the Wix app market. This is where all the integrated applications that can empower your Wix site are located. Once you are in, your task is to locate the app Mailchimp for Wix. All you need to do is type in this exact name in the search bar and hit enter. From the search results, find the said app and click to install it. This will help in integrating Mailchimp with your Wix site. Once that's done, your next move will be to connect your accounts. To do this, go into the settings of the newly installed app. There, you'll see an option that says Connect. When you click on it, a prompt window will appear, requesting you to log in to both your Wix and Mailchimp accounts. By doing so, you'll be able to authorize the connection between the two. This step is absolutely crucial, as you'll need both the accounts to be connected for the integration to work properly. After your accounts have been successfully linked, it's time to configure your sync settings. Now, what are these settings, you might ask? Essentially, these are the options that allow you to choose which types of contacts to import from Wix to Mailchimp. Furthermore, you can map your Wix data fields to your Mailchimp audience fields. This mapping makes sure that the correct data from your Wix site is matched to the right fields in your Mailchimp audience list. Take some time to carefully review and adjust these settings according to your needs. Remember, the more accurate your settings, the more successful the sync will be. Lastly, after you've fine-tuned your sync settings, it's time to initiate the data transfer. Look for an option called Sync Now and click on it. By initiating this command, you'll transfer your contact data from your Wix site to Mailchimp. The most enchanting part about this is that once this is done, a seamless sync is set up for your future email marketing campaigns. With this high level of integration, you'll be able to effortlessly use Mailchimp's email marketing capabilities right from your Wix platform in your upcoming campaigns. And it's as easy as that. By following this simple tutorial, you'll be successfully integrating Mailchimp pop-ups into your Wix site in no time. Happy integrating!